What's up, everybody? I'm Jason, it's the Freebird Garage, and we're starting this road trip off with some gas. 93 to be exact. It's early this morning where we're going. A bit of a long trip, gotta grab some energy here. Nope, that's it. Negative. Alright, no coffee because I don't got time for that. I'm on a mission today. I'm gonna take you guys to something special. And we're off. Woo! Let's take a gas, fully loaded up caffeine. Alright. A little slow start there. I'm gonna take you guys to somewhere I've been wanting to go for a very long time, and it's where you can get the so-called best chicken sandwich in Michigan so far. Now I can't contest because I've never been there, like I said, but I've been told this is going to be the best fried chicken sandwich you can buy here in Michigan. Obviously we are not known for our barbecues or fried chicken, so when you hear about it, you gotta take the chance somehow to get down there. Where we're going, this is not close by to my home at all, so I gotta travel. I think I looked at about a little bit close to an hour to get there. So one of my favorite things to ride and go do is to get food. I said that in some of my previous moto vlogs in the past, that I really enjoy like different styles of foods, different kinds of food, trying them out. And sometimes I just like the classic American style dishes, which is just a good old fried chicken sandwich. Who can hate on a fried chicken sandwich? It brings you back to that nostalgic time of when you were a kid, eating chicken nuggets off the kids menu. So I'm going to take you guys, this place that we're going to is called Eureka Eatery. I'm not sponsored by them. They don't have no idea I'm coming. I'm not really a food critic at all. I just enjoy riding, documenting it, and then showing you guys the food. So if you're ever in Michigan, or if you're watching and you're from Michigan, go check these spots out. I just like to take you along the ride and show you the good eats. Alright, so we're gonna cruise there, and I'll see you guys when we arrive. Big old garbage dump. Future snowboarding hill for Michigan. We get a lot of those. All of our down in the lower part of Michigan, snowboarding hills, ski hills, what you want to call them, are all garbage dumps. But hey, they still work. Alright, we're almost there. Getting off the exit now. And it is very brisk out. I did not dress appropriately, which I thought was going to be warm enough. My hands are frozen right now. That's alright. Once you start moving, it's kind of like when you get into a freezing cold pool and you got to warm up to it. It's essentially like that. The only part that sucks is that when you're getting on the throttle, your hands start to go numb. I got my directions here, which I probably just took the wrong exit. There's one thing I love about my Senna. I've had this thing for so long that it's like adapted to my helmet so well that you just put the directions in, I stay on the road, and it just tells you through your phone, whichever you have set up. Missed the exit. Just giving you guys a quick tour of Eureka exit. I will then see you guys when we get a little bit closer. Found the exit. Way off from the one I pulled off. Man, we might as well be in Ohio right now. That's how close we are to the border right now. Man, this better be one hell of a chicken sandwich. Making this cruise to delicious chicken heaven right now. Oh my God! Finally. Beautiful. You can't even tell it's a chicken. You know, I would have passed this place so easily. A gas station food, alright. Check that out. even personal motorcycle parking. All right. All right, guys, let's try this out. Good, you?
Good.
All right. Can I get the hot Sammy?
Sammy, of course.
Yeah.
Splice level.
What do you got?
Here's all our splice levels.
Let's go with classic hot.
Gotcha.
All right, and side of fries.
Side of fries.
Waffle fries.
I can just make that a combo for you with the drink.
Sounds good. And we're going to now dive into this chicken sandwich here. Look at this. All right. Got some fries. Combo deal. There it is. All right. Here we go. All right. A little messy, but that's good. Wow. Crunch. Spice. That is on point, man. Coleslaw is good. The sauce they put with it's awesome. That is too good. It's that chicken where like it has the right amount of heat. It gives you that crisp outside, nice tender chicken on the inside. Doesn't have that breading that sticks all together and then when you bite into it, it just pulls right off. Every crunch you're gonna get with that bite with it. It is awesome. Eureka Road, nicely done. That's one hell of a Nashville chicken hot. Well, I'm gonna finish this up, but there's my little review on, so far, I guess they say, the best Nashville chicken hot sandwich in Michigan. So, cheers to you, Eureka. Nice work. All right, all finished up with that beautiful chicken sandwich. I loved it. It was well worth the ride. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.